Lustro-in. Installation instructions for no drill, bamboo and jute curtains. Remove nuts, screw caps, etc. from the bracket. Fix the bracket on the wooden board of the bamboo curtains and measure the position of the holes for installation. And mark the position with a pen. Use a screwdriver to fix half of the fixed bracket. Put on the other half of the bracket and fix it with accessories such as nuts and screw caps. After completing the installation of the bracket, place it in the window and align it neatly. Tighten the nuts of the brackets on both sides as shown. Installation completed.